I got a package in the mail from the Taylor Swift merch shop, and I want to show you one of the reasons why people just love her, and her marketing is just so genius. So let me pull this out, and it is opening night for the Taylor Swift movie, which is appropriate timing that this shows up today. I saw this sweatshirt and I loved it so much. It's from Long Live All the Mountains We Moved, and it's got the dragon. I love it so much. I'll pull it out. But here's one of the reasons why she is so beloved and popular and her marketing is so genius. Inside is heart confetti in purple because it's from her Speak Now album. And you know, if you go to any of her concerts, you see that there's always confetti that comes down at the end of the night. And people just love, it's the extra things. And does this cost anything extra? No, absolutely not. But having this little surprise and delight, and if you're a marketing person or if you're in sales, this is something that you can absolutely use in your sales tactics. But this little surprise and delight, I don't know why, it just feels so good. But let me show you the shirt. Long live all the mountains we moved. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. This is so cute and it is so soft. Anybody going to the show tonight, have the best times. I have my tickets for Friday night, but have the best time tonight.